This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Epic Games account in a desktop browser. This is the only reliable place to manage two-factor settings. Once signed in, make sure you can open the email address linked to that account or have your phone ready for SMS. If you already use an authenticator app, note which one you prefer. Do this now so you don't interrupt the flow. Having these prerequisites ready prevents verification lockouts when you change settings. Next, navigate to Account, then Password and Security in your Epic account. Once there, look for two-factor authentication and pick the method. Email Authenticator or an authenticator app is recommended over SMS because it's more secure. If you choose an app, scan the displayed QR code or manually copy the secret key into the app. After adding it, the app will produce a one-time code. Enter that code back on the Epic site. Finally, save any backup codes Epic provides and store the authenticator secret in a secure place. This prevents permanent lockout. Once done, sign out and test by logging into Fortnite on a second device so you confirm the 2FA prompt appears and accepts codes. If you run into problems, make sure your authenticator app's time sync is correct or use a backup code to access the account immediately. If issues persist, contact Epic support with account details to restore access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.